YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all how long you should be woofing your hair if you're a coarse hair waver. Alright man, stay tuned. Alright man, so in today's video, I'm just going to be using my plastic bag and my mirror, and I'm going to just be talking a little bit on how long you should be woofing your 360 wave for coarse hair. So I'm going to show y'all the waves now, how I'm looking. Give y'all a little side. Now, I have not uploaded a video in a bit, but you can see I have a fork right up there. We're working on it. We are working on it. I actually got that fork because I'm thinking, okay, let me get a fork, right? So I can show you all how to break that fork. What's the process? That's gonna be in a later video. But let's finish this little twirl. So you can see how the waves looking on this side. I think they're pretty decent. Y'all can tell me how it is in the comment. And in the back, you can see how the back looking. So yeah, that's how the waves looking. Just gonna hit it with the plastic bag. I'm actually gonna get a full session in as well, but I'm just doing this to show y'all how my waves looking now. But so the tips you need to take into account, right, when you want to woof your hair for a coarse hair waver. So what you want to be doing, you want to make sure that you're brushing every day. That's tip one. Make sure you brush every single day. Make sure you're using a hard brush, medium, and sometimes a soft. I'm only saying sometimes a soft because I don't really be using it like that, but I use it whenever I can. But you can use the soft, and then after you use the soft, use the plastic bag. Really, you repeat and you do that every single day. And if you're an intermediate waver, you want to make sure you're doing that constantly. And so let's hop into combing. So what you want to do when you're woofing, you want to make sure you're combing as well. Combing is going to help your waves loosen up, and it's going to help really break a lot of forks. And again, y'all can see I got a fork right on top. How long should you woof your 360 waves if you're a coarse hair waver? If I say if you're a coarse hair waver, I say woof your hair, my account, let's start off with a 5 to 6 week woof. 5 to 6 weeks. Now, if you can't push that 5, cut it off at the 4. And if you can push the 5 and you see your hair is still nice and laid, go ahead and push that 6. Try to deepen them waves. So basically, the more you woof, the more progress you gain, the better your waves look. If you woof longer, basically 5 to 6 weeks, your waves will be looking way deeper, look more silkier, and they'll get wider as well, because the wider they are, the more healthier your waves start to look. Right? Man, so that is the end of the video. So that was a quick little video for you all. Recently I hit 100 subscribers. That's pretty nice. I like it, but I'm doing this YouTube thing to really help people who really want to get their waves on point. I'm also on the Facebook group, so if you follow me on the Facebook group, check me out. All right, man. You know how we say it, man. It's your boy Marcel. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.